How to fix try again later problem on Instagram. For that, you need to open Instagram app. Make sure you have updated your Instagram app by any Play Store or the App Store. Then let's head into the profile of Instagram, which is at bottom right corner. Now tap on three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and at the bottom you can find the option of help. Tap on it. Here on the top there is the option of report a problem. You need to tap on it and open it. Now here is the option that you can see here, that is report problem without checking. Tap on it and now tap on include and continue option. Here you can easily explain what happened or what's not working and describe your issue. Once you have done writing that, hi Instagram, please help me to fix try again later problem on Instagram. And you can also tap on upload, which is at the bottom left, and upload the screenshot of try again later problem on your screen. And after that, tap on send at the top right corner. And once you are done with that, Instagram will definitely find the solution after a few hours to fix your try again later problem on Instagram. After that, you can easily fix the try again later problem on Instagram. So this is how you can easily fix your problem. I hope this solution was helpful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.